follow me.
You're following me.
You don't follow me.
Are you wearing my shoes?
Yeah.
Do you like wearing my shoes? You walk better in those shoes than I do.
You do.
You walk really good in those. I don't.
You do.
Not like that. Where are you going? To your house? Hmm? What? You sing me a song? How about Hey Sing Scooby?
Scooby, hey, Scooby, hey, Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you?
No, don't clean your ears. Mommy will do that. Gabby.
What do you want to do tonight?
I don't know.
Can we play some games? Okay, Poopa. What? Look at money. I have money. After getting those. Hey, Mom, will you turn my TV on? Mom, will you turn my TV on?
In a minute.
Why does Gavin have your swim trunks?
I'm doing laundry. Watch out, Teddy.
We have to work like today. That's my money. My money. Go to work. Let's go to work. No. Put your shoe on. You put that shoe on. Put the shoe on. You put that shoe on. Get that. Get that shoe. Why do you guys have these?
He got them out of my closet.
Isn't this when you got to go on a date? Hi. Oh, crap.
Teddy. Don't be inappropriate.
Mom.
No, the answer is no, Teddy.
Turn my TV on.
The answer is no.
Then what can I do?
Go clean your room.
Let's go. Don't take my picture.
I'm not. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name? Can you tell me your name? What's your name?
How much is loaded? It's a lot of loaded. Like a truck.